Do you like to speak English?
Yes, I like to speak English a lot.
Why do you like to speak English?
English is an international language. It can help me in my professional life.
Do you think learning English is hard?
No, it's not hard to learn. If someone is really interested in learning,
How hard was it for you to learn English?
it was easy for me to learn because I enjoyed the learning process.
How did you enjoy the learning English?
I learned in a fun way, not boring.
What was the enjoyable method?
Well, English movies, cartoon videos, podcasts, and find a conversation partner.
How important is learning English?
Learning English is important for global communication, career opportunities, access to information, education, cultural exchange, and personal growth.
Is English listening important?
Yes, of course. It is important undoubtedly.
Why is listening important in language learning?
We use our ears to receive individual sounds, letters, stress, rhythm, and pauses.
How much should I listen to improve my English?
It depends on you. There is no limit. You can listen regularly.
Should I speak English fast or slowly?
If you are a beginner, then try to speak slowly
Why should I not speak faster?
because you can make mistakes. If you speak slowly, you will have enough time to think.
Which mistakes do people make while they learn English?
Comparing progress to others, easy options, looking for shortcuts, fear of making mistakes, focusing on grammar, speaking too fast.
Can I improve my English by talking to myself?
You can talk to yourself at any time. The big advantage of talking to yourself is that you can choose whatever topic you like.
Should I learn grammar for English speaking?
For speaking, just a few basic grammars are enough to speak English.
Do I need to learn all grammar to speak English fluently?
No, to speak English fluently, basic grammars are enough.
What are the basic grammars?
Singular and plural, tense, modals, prepositions, and voice.
How can I improve my English listening skills?
You can watch the content you like in English instead of your local language.
What if people laugh at my English?
If people laugh at your English, stay confident, learn from mistakes, seek help, practice regularly, and ignore.
Should I learn English pronunciation?
It will make speaking of everything easier as you have the basics of pronunciation.
Does she know about this?
Yes, she knows.
Is she well now?
Yes, now she is better.
You gonna join them?
Yes, I will join them.
Are they coming today?
Yes, they are coming.
Do you still have a pain in your leg?
Yes, but I have less pain now.
What are you doing now?
Nothing, just relaxing.
Won't you go to the office today?
No, I don't want to go today.
What's the matter with you?
Nothing happened. Actually, I have a little fever.
Should I go to the doctor?
Yes, you should go as soon as possible.
What have you cooked today?
I haven't cooked anything yet.
May I tell you one thing?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Is there anything?
Yes, there are some books.
What's the color of your house?
The color of my house is green.
Where is she?
She's on the terrace.
What's happened to him?
He has been suffering from a fever for 2 days.
When he will be available?
I can't say exactly.
Would you like to leave a message?
Tell him to call me once.
Will you be back for lunch?
No, I will be late.
How is your health?
Not so bad.
Why are you so late?
Sorry, I got stuck in a place.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Where's she going?
She's going to the market.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, please go ahead.
Can someone help me?
Sure, what do you need with help?
Can you explain it to me?
Yay! Let me break it down for you.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Here's a real-life scenario that illustrates the concept.
Can you help me move this heavy box?
Of course, let's lift it together.
Can you recommend a good hotel in Boston?
Yes, there are several great options. What's your budget?
Can you show me where the bathroom is?
Yes, it's down the hall to the left side.
Can you teach me how to learn English?
Yes, I can help you.
Can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure, it's just a few blocks that way.
Can wait until tomorrow to finish this?
No, we have a deadline to meet.
Can't you see that I'm busy right now?
Oh, sorry. I'll come back later.
Could you help me to understand this?
Yes. What's the problem you are facing?
Could you please drive a little faster?
Sorry, I'm going as fast as I can without breaking the speed limit.
Did anybody see you there?
Yes, there were a few people around.
Did I do something wrong? Please let me know.
No, everything is fine.
Are you married?
I'm engaged. We're getting married next year,
Why are you studying English?
so I can communicate when I travel.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and relaxing at home.
Do you need any help?
Yeah, I'm looking for something under $30.
How it's going?
Not bad. Going well.
How are you feeling?
A little depressed.
How was your day?
Super busy.
How was the party?
Boring. I couldn't wait to get out of there.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.